Hey, do you want to create professional and high quality thumbnails so your channel looks more professional and it will get more views? So, today I'm going to show you the number one software for this, right? So, let's dive into it right now. The number one software I recommend here is we call Canva. It is the software which is used by many YouTubers. You can call it 70% of the YouTubers use this software for their thumbnails to create, right? Here, what you have to do is just search on here. You have to search YouTube thumbnails here, and you will get a bunch of thumbnail ideas which are professional and 100% high quality thumbnails from which you can choose and just modify any kind of thumbnails whichever you want, right? Just like pick one of them. There is just pick it this, and then the window opens and you have to just modify this with the title you want to put it here or something like this. You have to modify it with the title you want to put it here, right? Just double click here and just put whatever you want, right? YouTube YouTube thumbnail, right? The image, whatever you really want to add, just click on here photos, and you can choose some kind of elements here also, right? Here. So the goal of let me clear you one thing, right? The goal of here is not to make professional and high quality YouTube thumbnails, right? The goal here is different on YouTube. The main purpose of YouTube videos here is how much click-through rate you can gain, right? Let me give you some examples, right? Here's the videos which I make, right? Here, this video, right? You can see here, right? So this video, let me show you my analytics, right? So this video, see the thumbnail, it's not looking so much professional and that all, right? But it gains 1.3k views. But after being a small YouTuber, right? It get 1.33 just in just 4 months, right? And you can see the reach. That's where the magic happened. It get 9.6k impressions, but that's here's the magic is 9.5% click-through rates is coming from this thumbnail, right? So it's not a kind of like big professional thumbnail, but it's giving me a pretty good click-through rate. If your click-through rate is between like 7 to 10% or 11%, that's great, right? That's perfect. It's giving me if I publish it on today or last 7 days, it give me 18% or something click through rate, right? In just first 24 hours, if I see, it's giving me a good click through rate. It's just 18.2% click through rate in last 24 hours. It means that thumbnail is pretty working, right? So you have to just double down which working, right? So I don't make these kind of professional thumbnails and choose different kind of things. What I do is I copy this thumbnail and make it video on it, right? So what you have to do is just go there and I will show you how many thumbnails I make here. You will click on your designs, which all my designs which I created here. And let me show you this. So here it is, right? So these are many thumbnails. This thumbnail is looking so perfect and professional, right? But this thumbnail gives me only 2% click-through rate, right? So that's no mean to get these kind of thumbnails, right? So I just merge I just show you recently the thumbnail which giving me 9% click-through rate. I just make this video from that particular thumbnail. I just copy that thumbnail and just make another video and put this thumbnail, right? And this video also gives me a good analytics. Let me show you this also. Back. I copy this thumbnail, right? Because it's working, I have to double it down. So I just go there and just that's the video, right? I just put it within 24 hours, right? Before 24 hours, right? And it gives me 18 views in just 24 hours. Again, being a small YouTuber, right? If you see the reach, it has 37 impression but 8.1 click-through rate. It means this particular thumbnail is not looking professional, but it's working. You have to stand out from the other videos or the public. You don't have to be like so professional and so high quality stuff. You just have to be stand out from the public point of view. So your videos get more traction, because when people scroll all these videos out, right? They just want to know if there is something kind of different videos, right? That's a TubeBuddy I use. So here it is, right? If you see all this video, you just scroll, right? And you need some kind of different thumbnails which just attracts your attention and grabs your attention, right? That's why you like this, right? So you need this kind of thumbnails which just grabs your attention, right? So focus on that, not professional and high quality thumbnails. I hope you got your answer. And if you want, I make your thumbnails. You can mail me, you can find my email on YouTube and just mail me. I will charge a small fees and just make your professional thumbnails on your YouTube art, or you can say YouTube logos and intros, all these things, right? Because that's what you have to make, some kind of professionalism you have to maintain, right? Let me show you this video, right? I charge a small fees and I just make a thumbnail, or you can say, right? You can pay whatever you want, and I will give you, again, if you are getting more than 7% of click-through rate, please make your thumbnails by your own, because you are doing a pretty good damn shit, right? Here it is, right? So if I show you this in this video, by being a small YouTuber, I get this particular keyword are in trend, right? You can see now I am coming on this particular keyword, I'm coming in on the 22 position, right? That's a pretty good thing, and that's why this video is giving me views and views. And from these impressions, I'm with this what do you call it, thumbnail, I'm getting this pretty much click-through rate, right? So that's all now. Bye bye.